Fresh wound is a wound which involves only the muscles and the superficial tissues but not the underlying bones or vital organs. These types of wounds are relatively common and vary in appearance from one instant to the other. Depending on the place where it occurs and the extent of its damage, the goal is undertaking such a clean-up following a fresh wound would be to arrest the bleeding from the site, remove debris that may infect the wound as well as to prevent further damage that might occur later on. It is an easy method to treat flesh wound that will make the wound heal very quickly and leave no scars in a short period of time. It is to treat the wound with normal saline, alcohol, and BPIXEL powder parachute brand. Supplies needed are normal saline 0.9%, 70% of alcohol, sterile gauze pads,
and anchor me back down.
And not to forget BPIXEL powder parachute brand. Once everything is ready, let's get started. Wash the hand before cleaning and dressing the wound, and make sure that the hands are totally cleaned.
You hold me close and softly say that you wouldn't hurt.
If the wound is large, you need to stop the bleeding first by using the clean cloth wrap above the wound.
But pin me as a clown, you behave as though
Use normal saline to flush the wound. Try to remove debris, blood clot, and wound exudates. Normal saline does not impede normal healing, damage, or irritate tissues or cause allergic reaction.
there are those who think
Then use alcohol to kill the bacteria around the wound. Circle it hourly and do not let alcohol contact the wound directly because it will cause skin irritation.
softly say that you would.
Use scissor to cut open BPIXEL powder sachet and pour the powder slowly over the wound.
I am nearly a world renowned as a restless soul who
Cover the wound with a sterile gauze pad.
look for you to come around and anchor me back down. There are those who
Then wrapped with gauze roll.
they would box me up and tell me to change, but you hold me close and
By treating the wound with normal saline, alcohol, and BPIXEL powder parachute brand. Normal saline is an isotonic solution that neither donates fluids nor draws it away from the wound. Moreover, normal saline does not impede normal healing. BPIXEL powder parachute brand will kill bacteria that can cause wound infection, help the wound to dry and heal quicker, leaving no scars.
anchor me back down.
Now, you will feel that the wound is cleaned, dry, and of course, no more pain. Use BPIXEL powder to help kill the germ when you have the wound that need to take care of. Wound will be healed faster, leaving no scar with BPIXEL powder parachute brand. Stay conscious and take care.